maze looks cool, but it's really hard and I can't get to the third level.
It makes you get so focused, and that's what freaks you out.
Oops, game over. Oops, game over. Oops, game over. Oops, game over.
This is Scary Maze Game epic fail is what this is going to be.
That's what you should put it.
As we are going on 4 minutes, and neither one of you can do it.
I did it before.
I did it before too. Oh my gosh. The slant, man. The slant.
It's easier with the mouse.
Freaking hurry up, man. Freaking hurry
Okay,
up.
dude, you can do it.
And then it gets really tiny at the end.
Does it do it when it's a thread part?
I don't remember. I don't know. Wyatt.
I forgot how many levels there are.
Wyatt, pay attention.
It's the last one.
Wyatt. Come on, mister. It's not scary. Wyatt. Wyatt purposely didn't look. Goodbye, camera.
I didn't